Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My dear students of grade 7, how are you? I hope you will be fine. So I say welcome to the online class of English literature. Here I am teacher Mr. Sanaullah. And today we are going to deal with the topics of word power and comprehension for lesson number 3 of unit 4. The topic of the lesson is we are all one. During our previous two lectures, my dear students, we have studied the main text, and today we will do words, meanings, sentences, and comprehension on pages 187 and 194. During our today's lesson, the students will learn the meanings of words and how to use the words in sentences. Moreover, the comprehension task will also be carried out. Our question number 1. Why does the peddler decide to leave the city and go to the woods? Why does the peddler decide to leave the city and go to the woods? That is our question. Please write the answer with correct spellings. He decides to leave the city to search a special herb in the woods. He decides to leave the city to search a special herb in the woods. Question number 2. How does the centipede help the peddler? Please write the answer. The centipede helps the peddler by guiding him how he can find a magic bead by the roots of a pine tree. I will repeat the answer. The centipede helps the peddler by guiding him how he can find a magic bead by the roots of a pine tree. My dear students, now we will go to page number 187 for words, meanings, and sentences. The first word is herb. Herb means a small plant. Herb is a kind of a special small plant that has green leaves. Usually it is used in medicines or cooking. The first word is herb. I will tell you the sentence for this word. The doctor prescribed me a special herb to get rid of high fever. The doctor prescribed me a special herb to get rid of high fever. These are the examples of herbs, which are small plants and usually used as a medicine or in cooking. Our number 2 word is larvae. Larvae means early forms of insect. The teacher explained the process of metamorphosis with reference to larvae. The teacher explained the process of metamorphosis with reference to larvae. These are larvae. Okay, number 3 word is lacquer. Lacquer means a glossy coating, a shining coating or shiny surface of anything or any material that makes the surface of any table, door, or wall more shiny. Please write a sentence. I used a new lacquer to make the door more shiny. I used a new lacquer to make the door more shiny. Here you can see a person is using a special material that is called a lacquer to bring some shiny look on the door. That will make the door more glossy or attractive. Number 4 word is omen. Omen means a sign or warning about future. Please write the sentence. I was all helpless, but his unexpected arrival seemed like a good omen for me. I was all helpless, but his unexpected arrival seemed like a good omen for me. My dear students, omen is not a material thing that I will show you any picture here. It is just a personal thinking. Okay? It depends upon your personal judgment whether you take that thing as a positive or negative. Omen means a kind of a sign or warning about your future. For example, if you are going to enjoy your picnic along with your family friends and suddenly it starts raining heavily, then what does it signify as an omen? It means it is going to ruin your party. It will spoil your whole day. Okay. Another example I will give you. You have studied a lot for your examination. So when you are going to do your examination, So you study all the lesson, you revise all the important question and answer, you practice them again and again. So it means it is a good omen for your success. Now you are sure that something is going to happen good in my favor. Our number 5 word is dissolve. Dissolve means to mix one thing into another. Dissolve means to mix. Now write the sentence. The doctor advised me to dissolve these tablets in water before using. The doctor advised me to dissolve these tablets in water before using. You can see these are the pills or tablets which are being dissolved in water as a medicine. My dear students, so far we have done comprehension, question answers and words meaning sentences. And what is your homework? You will learn the words meanings. Also, please frame new sentences about these 5 vocabulary words by using your own creativity and thinking. Thank you very much for attending the online class. See you next time with a new lesson. Till then, bye bye. Stay home, stay safe.